Today we'll start with doubly linked list. Today we are going to start with doubly linked list. So we have seen already the singly linked list. The singly linked list contains the structure of singly linked list is like this is. So this contains data part and this contains the next part. So this is nothing but what node structure of singly linked list. Singly linked list हे node structure असा. Now we are moving on a doubly linked list. So what is the difference between singly linked list and doubly linked list? Singly linked list can traverse in a one direction. Singly linked list can traverse in a one direction, or we can say it will traverse only in a forward direction. In a forward direction, whereas doubly linked list can traverse in a both direction, forward as well as backward direction. Forward as well as backward direction. Doubly linked list contains two nodes, means it contains the two next, means what? It contains the node structure contains the next as well as the previous. Node structure contains the next as well as previous. So I will just draw the doubly linked list node structure. So it could be like this. It contains three things. So data part, in between, next part as it is, and here the additional part is there, that is previous. So previous is nothing but what the reference. So it will keep the references of next node as well as the previous node. So this is nothing but what node of doubly linked list. This is node of doubly linked list. Okay, so in a singly linked list it could be like this, in this way: 10, 20, 30 addresses 1018, 1016, 1014. So here 1016, here 1018, here null character is there. This is nothing but what starting of list. So this is nothing but what node structure of singly linked list, and this will be the S list. So he S list. So 10, the 10 next will be the 1016, the address of next node, that is 20. 20 is next, the address of 1018, who is the address of 30. This next node is 30, and 30 is terminated by null character. So it is terminated there. So it will traverse in a one direction, means what? 10, after it will move to 20, then it will move 30. So it will traverse in a forward direction. It will traverse in a forward direction. Now we will see about the doubly linked list. Doubly linked list contains the two nodes. Whose address is 1014, 1016, 20, and 30, 1018. So look at this. So this is nothing but what starting terminated by null. So I will give a name D list. The previous should be null because no node is before 10. The next of 10 is whom? 20. So what is the address of 20? What is the address of 20? That is 1016. The address of 20. So here 1016. Got this? समझ ले? Then now tell me about the 20. 1016. It is connected. But 20 च्या next मध्ये काय असेल? Can anybody guess?
1018.
1018. Absolutely correct. So it will connected in this way. What about 30 is next? 30 च्या next मध्ये काय असेल? Null. It is terminated by null character null. Now since remaining 20 is previous and 30 is previous. So 20. Look at the 20. Before that 10. 10 च्या previous मध्ये एक तरी नोड आहे का? नाही. So that's why it is null. About 20. Who is the previous of 20? 20 चा previous node कोण आहे? 1014. Who is the address of 10? 1014 is the address of 10. So that's why if I want to link 20 with 10 in a reverse direction, then what I have to store here? 1014. Then it will link in a reverse direction. then it will link in a reverse direction. Now same for 30. Who is the previous node of 30?
1016.
1016. Address of whom?
1016.
20.
कुणाचा ऍड्रेस आहे 20. सो 20 चा प्रीवियस नोड कोण आहे, सॉरी 30 चा प्रीवियस नोड कोण आहे 20. whose address is 1016. So we'll store here 1016. Then it will get linked. Then it will get linked. Now look at the double linked list. So I have given the, instead of S list, I have given the name D list. So shall we fill all the nodes? Yes, we have filled all the next as well as previous part of the node. Next and previous part पण fill केला. So 10 travels to 20, 20 travels to 30, 30 travels to 20 in a reverse direction. Can we traverse in a reverse direction in a double linked list? Yes, we can. Because who is 30's previous? 1016, address of 20. Who is 20's previous? 1014, address of 10. Got this? Who is previous of 10? Null, because list is starting with that node. समजले? नक्की? यात कोणाला काही शंका?
No,
just
sir.
Just draw this node of the double linked list. Data, previous, next. Then draw this example. Double linked list is as follows. Draw this example. Double linked list can follow in a both direction, forward as well as backward. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we'll move further. What we have to do? So we have to create doubly linked list. We have to create doubly linked list. So just check out what is the difference between singly and doubly. Singly आणि doubly मध्ये difference काय आहे? काय आहे? They have added one more reference for reverse direction or backward direction, that is previous. बरोबर आहे? नेक्स्ट आहे तसंच तसं आहे का? आहे ना? बघा ना, नेक्स्ट मध्ये ऍड्रेस तेच आहेत ना. 10 च्या नेक्स्ट मध्ये 1014, येस 1016. 20 च्या नेक्स्ट मध्ये 1018, 20 च्या नेक्स्ट मध्ये 1018, 30 च्या नेक्स्ट मध्ये नल नल. दे हॅव ऍडेड वन मोर रेफरन्स, दॅट इज प्रीवियस, आणि तो फक्त आपल्याला ऍड करायचा आहे. व्हॉट अबाउट द नेक्स्ट नोड? इट इज ऍज इट इज. तो जशाचा तसाच आहे. बरोबर आहे? फाईन. ओके, so come to the point, that is the node structure. So before starting the double linked list, we have to write down the node structure. So I have written the program of node singly linked list. Singly linked list चा जो प्रोग्राम आहे तो मी लिहिलेला आहे. यात तुम्हाला काही शंका आहेत का? क्रिएट लिस्ट आहे बघा, नोड स्ट्रक्चर सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट. टाइप डेफ स्ट्रक्ट नोड इन डेटा स्ट्रक्ट नोड स्टार नेक्स्ट नोड. गॉट इट? देन क्रिएट लिस्ट, नोड डिक्लेअर केला, नोड स्टार new node, temp, how many nodes you want, scanf %a ampersand n, I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, for opening bracket, new node is equal to node star, malloc, size of node, close, enter the data, scanf %a ampersand new node of data, new node of next null, if slist is equal to null, then slist is equal to temp is equal to new node, else temp of next is equal to new node and temp is equal to new node, close, return slist and then again close. बरोबर कोड लिहिलाय? येस और नो? सिंगलीचा क्रिएटचा बरोबर कोड आहे का? ऍटलीस्ट से येस और नो.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make a change in this code. आपल्याला या कोड मध्ये बदल करायचे आहे. सो हु इज ऍडिशनल? प्रीवियस इज ऍडिशनल. ऍडिशनल कोण आहे? प्रीवियस आहे. सो वी हॅव टू ऍड दॅट प्रीवियस. So previous is what? It is also self-referential structure. ते सुद्धा काय आहे? Self-referential structureच आहे. So like next, the previous is also there. So here we have to just add new struct node star next, comma star previous semicolon. बघा काय केलंय फक्त struct node star next comma star previous because previous is also work like a next. बरोबर आहे ना? सेल्फ रेफरन्स स्ट्रक्चरच आहे का? प्रिव्हियस मध्ये पण नोड स्ट्रक्चर नोड हे रेफरन्सेस स्टोअर करता का तुम्ही? रेफरन्सेस स्टोअर करतो ना आपण. सो दॅट्स वाय आय हॅव डिक्लेअर्ड इट एज अ struct node star next comma star previous. It is also self-referential structure. We store the address of self-reference. कळालंय? So that's all. Node structure मध्ये एवढंच. Type def struct node in data struct node star next comma star previous. Star next एकटा असेल तर सांगायचं सिंगली लिंक लिस्ट नोड आहे आणि स्टार प्रिव्हियस असेल तर डबली लिंक लिस्ट. Got this? Now we will move further. Node star create list. Then node star s list. मी व्हेरिएबल काय वापरला होता? s list. s stand for singly linked list. बरोबर आहे? So singly list. Now here what we are going to see? Doubly linked list. So instead of s list, I'm going to use what? D list. मी काय यूज करणार आहे? D list. So create list, node star D list. D list. Then int I is equal to n. Int space I comma n declared. Then node star semicolon next line la node star new node star 10 as it is, no change in that. Then printf how many elements you want? scanf %ampersand 10. यात काही न्यू प्रिव्हियसचा फरक आहे का? नाही. आपल्याला इथे पण विचारायचं हाऊ मेनी नोड्स यू वॉन्ट. ओके scanf %ampersand node. Then new node is equal to node star malloc size of node as it is, because in a node structure we have already added previous. So whenever it will allocate a memory, that time it will allocate like this, which contains the data, next and previous part. Next part पण असेल आणि previous part पण असेल data मध्ये. So that's why it is also as it is, no change. Then enter the data. Data घेतला. So data part मध्ये enter data घेतला. Then scanf %ampersand new node of data. New node of data टाकला आपण. Yes, 10 as it is. We have added. Name. Next thing is what? New node of next should be null. New node चा next काय असला पाहिजे? Null असला पाहिजे. That is absolutely correct. So look at here. How many nodes you want? N is equal to 3. पहिला नोड घेतला. So that is new node. New node चा डेटा टाकला 10. Address आहे 1014. That is correct. How many nodes you want? N ची व्हॅल्यू 3 दिली. Then new node allocate केला. So that is new node. That is new node. Then enter the data. scanf %ampersand new node of data. New node of data काय टाकला मी? 10 टाकला. काय टाकला? 10. Then new node of next should be null. Next null आहे सुरुवातीला. What about previous? सुरुवातीला previous सुद्धा काय पाहिजे? Tell me.
Null.
Null. So what is the additional statement here? New node of previous is equal to null. So it is null. काय असला पाहिजे? Nullच असला पाहिजे. Got this? समजलं का? ओके. नवीन नोड घेतला त्याला आपण नेक्स्ट ऍज वेल ऍज प्रिव्हियस दोन्ही नल केलेले आहेत. ओके. सो दॅट इज द बेसिक थिंग. डबली लिंक लिस्ट मध्ये नेक्स्ट नल केला, प्रिव्हियस सुद्धा काय करायचा? नलच करायचा ऍट द बिगिनिंग. सो ऍज फॉर दॅट new node of data 10, new node of next null is equal to new node of previous also null. So here we have added one more statement. New node of previous is equal to null. Then if s list, s एक आता काय आहे? D list. If कारण D list declare केली ना, that's why. If D list is equal to null, सुरुवातीला D list null असेल, then instead of that D list is equal to temp is equal to new node. Means what? We have to give the name to this D list and also give the name for this variable, that is temp, as it is. If dlist is equal to null, जर dlist null असेल, then dlist is equal to temp is equal to new node. Instead of s list, we are going to use dlist. Why dlist? Because it's doubly linked list. समजले? So त्यामुळे dlist is equal to temp is equal to new node. Got this? Okay. पहिला नोड आला, नवीन नोड क्रिएट केला. नेक्स्ट i प्लस प्लस झाला, I will become नवीन नोड घेतला आय नी. This is new node. Again हे चेंज झालं. ओके, i प्लस प्लस झाला, i ची व्हॅल्यू 1 झाली, 1 नवीन नोड अलोकेट केला, डेटा पार्ट इज व्हॉट 20. न्यू नोड ऑफ नेक्स्ट नल, न्यू नोड ऑफ प्रीवियस नल, ऍड्रेस 1018. बघा नवीन नोड घेतला, नेक्स्ट नल, प्रीवियस नल. So look at here, नवीन नोड 20, next null, previous null. Got this? Okay. Then if dlist is equal to null, dlist null आहे का हो? नाही. dlist contains one node. dlist contains one node. So that's why dlist is not null. Then it will move for which part? Else part. It will move for else part. So what we have written in else part? सिंगली लिंक लिस्टच्या कोड मध्ये else part मध्ये काय? temp of next is equal to new node. Absolutely correct. So this is the temp of next is equal to new node. What is the value of new node? 1018. 1018. It is linked by using this statement. Temp of next is equal to new node. Okay, we have done it.
New node चा next 1018 केला. Sorry. 10 चा next. 10 चा next, that is new node. What we have to connect? आपल्याला काय कनेक्ट करायचं आहे? न्यू नोडचा प्रीवियस 20 च्या नेक्स्ट प्रीवियस मध्ये काय आलं पाहिजे? 10 चा ऍड्रेस आला पाहिजे ना. सो व्हाट विल बी द स्टेटमेंट? न्यू नोड, दिस इज द न्यू नोड ऑफ प्रीवियस, न्यू नोड ऑफ प्रीवियस इज इक्वल टू 10. 10 चा ऍड्रेस काय? 1014 आहे ना. तो न्यू नोड ऑफ प्रीवियस, new node of previous is equal to 10. Look at here, 10 address काय आहे? 1014. So here 1014. Then we'll get in the both direction. So we have to here add one more statement, that is new node of previous is equal to 10. New node of previous is equal to 10. Then next statement 10 is equal to further here. I plus plus I चा व्हॅल्यू आता काय आला? 3, थर्ड नोड. नोड इथला निघून गेला. बरोबर आहे. I ची व्हॅल्यू 0 होती, पहिला नोड घेतला, 1 झाली, दुसरा नोड घेतला, 2 झाली, तिसरा नोड. न्यू नोड अलोकेट केला, एंटर द डेटा पार्ट. In a data part, I have filled 30. In a data part, I have filled 30. The address of it is 102. That's the address of 102. Okay. So what is the next step? New node of next null. New node of previous null. So next step is null. Previous. Okay. I have done the next as well as previous as a null. Next as well as previous as a. Next thing, if dlist is equal to whether dlist is null? No, it's not null. Dlist null आएगा? No. It contains two nodes. So we'll move further else part. We'll move where the else part. So what is the else part? In else part, what we are written? Temp of next is equal to new. So this is the temp. Temp of next is equal to new. So in the next part, what will show? 1012. What is the next statement? New node of previous is equal to 10. So new node of previous. So this is this one is equal to 10. What is the address of 10? 1014. So here it will get replaced by 1 0. Okay. ठीक है ना? Then temp is equal to new node. Temp. So got this. Look at the list. Shall be created in that manner. Okay. So come to the point. Then temp is equal to new node. Temp new node के लिए list is created. So this is nothing but what? Doubly linked list. क्या है? Doubly linked list. Then close. Return what? S list or D list? It should be D. Return D list. D list return. Close. That's all. So this is nothing but what? First function, that is create function. Create doubly linked list. We have created the doubly linked list. यात काही डाऊट आहे का? So look at the program code. कोड बघा. सिंगलीचा कोड जो होता तसाच कोड आहे. सो काय ऍडिशन केले? काही डिलीट केले का? काहीच डिलीट केले. मी ऍडिशन केले. So additional things. In a node structure, we have added previous. In a node structure, we have added star previous. File addition. Today, node structure. About the create function, I have added only 2 statements. किती statement add केले? 2 statement add केले. कुठले? पहिलं statement. New node of previous is equal to null. हे झोपेत सुद्धा कळेल. नेक्स्ट null असेल तर previous सुद्धा काय करायचा? बरोबर आहे? So that was the additional statement. स्टार केलेला आहे. दिसते? New node of previous is equal to. This is my first statement. And second statement, that is logical statement. New node of previous is equal to 10. New node of previous is equal to 10. That was my second statement. So within a whole function, I added only 2 statements. First, new node of previous is equal to null. And next statement, new node of previous is equal to 10. Otherwise, the code same like singly linked list. कोड कसा आहे? सेम सिंगली लिंक लिस्टचा सारखाच आहे. त्यात आणि यात काही बदल नाही. एस लिस्टच्या जागी डी लिस्ट हे बायोलॉजिकच आहे, कारण आपण व्हेरिएबलचं नाव बदलले. बाकी चेंज केलेलं काहीच नाही. तुम्ही नुसतं एस लिस्ट तरी सुद्धा चालेल, परंतु आपल्याला व्हेरिएबलची नावं ही प्रोग्रामच्या नुसार द्यावी लागतात. सो दॅट्स वाय इन्स्टेड ऑफ एस वी आर गोइंग टू यूज डी. सो इट्स डी. So we are going to do this program practically also. Okay. समजले? Take a screenshot. Clear झाला असेल तर स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या.
Clear.
Okay. So stop here. Thank you one and all.